Welcome to Smart Educational Books by Smart Publisher, Karachi.
Did you know the sound of I? Now read with me, hooray!
Pinky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and confet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Is for igloo. It's cold and made of ice. Is for insect. It crawls so small and nice. Is for ink. It helps us when we write. Bye bye, friends. See you next day. We'll learn new sounds. Hip hip hooray. Ha 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 ha.
Thanks for watching! If you want to learn more letter sounds, click on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Educational Books for more fun and educational content. If you want to purchase the books, then contact After Brothers, Shop No. 29, Main Urdu Bazaar, Emma Jinnah Road, Karachi.